it's me Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Barnes & Noble and we are going to go squishy hunting. So I'm pretty sure there are squishies somewhere here. So let's go. On the squishies, here are some. There's like french fries and a burger. I've been looking for these things forever because I've seen them like all over YouTube. They're pretty cool. I like the squishy part. They have like a pencil case and everything. Guys, we hit the squishy jackpot. It's like all licensed squishies in this. We have like a Hello Kitty. There's like a rip here because people have been squishing it. This Hello Kitty, guys. I think these are called shigiri breads or something. And I have one of these. I have the tuxedo sound. And they also have this guy. What's his name? Karapi. Alright guys, back to school montage.